Out in the wild, comfort, safety, and survival all come down to the gear you carry. And in 2025, Amazon is packed with gadgets that make camping smarter than ever before. From a stove that charges your phone to a camera tough enough to capture every second of your adventure, these are the top 5 smartest camping gadgets Americans are grabbing this year. Stay with me because number 5 is the one every outdoor man dreams of. And hey, before we jump in, make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss the smartest survival gear out there. Number 1, the BioLite CampStove 2 Plus. Now, this is survival tech at its best. It's not just a stove, it literally turns fire into electricity. Throw in a few sticks, light it up, and you're cooking your meals in minutes. But here's the genius part: while you're boiling water, it also generates power to charge your phone, GPS, or headlamp. Compact, eco-friendly, and designed for the American outdoors. This gadget means you'll never run out of food or battery in the wild. Number 2, the Cliq camping chair. Imagine hiking all day and then pulling a full-size chair out of your backpack. That's the Cliq. It folds down to the size of a water bottle, yet pops open into a sturdy, comfortable seat in seconds. Built tough for the outdoors, but light enough to carry anywhere. Hunters, campers, tailgaters, this one's a game changer. Smallest pack, biggest comfort. Number 3, the Coleman Instant Cabin Tent. This isn't just another tent, it's a time saver. The Coleman Instant Cabin sets up in just 1 minute. That's right, 60 seconds and you've got a full-sized, weatherproof shelter ready to go. Strong frames, roomy design, and built to handle rain, wind, and rugged trips across the states. When survival means efficiency, you don't want to waste precious daylight fighting with poles and ropes. Number 4, the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Every survivalist knows water is life. The LifeStraw lets you drink directly from rivers, lakes, or streams with zero worries. It filters out 99.99% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, giving you clean, safe water in seconds. No heavy bottles, no chemicals, just pure hydration anywhere you go. Backpackers, hunters, campers. This is the one gadget that could literally save your life. Number 5, the GoPro Hero 12 Black. And here's the one I told you to wait for, the smartest, toughest action camera yet. The GoPro Hero 12 Black. 4K ultra-stabilized video, waterproof, shockproof, and built to handle the harshest environments. Mount it on your chest, helmet, or even your kayak, and relive every moment like you're back in the wild. Because in 2025, it's not just about surviving the adventure, it's about capturing the story. So guys, which one of these camping gadgets would you pack first? For me, the BioLite stove is genius. Fire and power in one tool? That's survival on another level. Drop your favorite down in the comments and tell me which gadget deserves a full deep dive video next. And hey, if you love discovering the smartest survival gear before anyone else, smash that like button, share this with your camping buddies, and hit subscribe. And because trust me, this is just the start of the outdoor gear that's taking over America in 2025.